up, guys? This is our drawing.
Yeah, this
It's
is our
our drawing. It's cool, right? And behind is our drawing too.
It's our old drawing.
Yeah, look at it.
This is
big.
This is the other one.
That's the other one. It's the other
So
one.
guys, if you like it, like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe now. Like and subscribe.
This is
Right?
sorry, his mom got it. Her mom messed it up. So
Yeah.
we took efforts to do this,
Yeah.
but it's still good though.
Yeah. What
That's-
the fuck? That's volcano. Oh, I think it was a volcano.
Me too, bro.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we're in the Philippines, and make sure you like, subscribe, comment.
And share to our channel so you can see our other videos, new videos, and cool videos, funny videos, right?
Yeah. We haven't even got a single message, but we only have one.
Yeah.
So please guys, please comment.
Yes, just comment now. Please comment, guys. Even 43 comments or
Or
100.
10 or 6, 7.
Bro, what the fuck are you addicted? Yeah, 6, 7.
Our percent is 66, but it's been 6, 7 like
1 hour or not?
1 minute ago.
Yeah, it was 6, 7.
7.
And the other one is 6, 9.
It's gonna be 6, 1. Like, guys, do you know what meme this is? What's 9 plus 10?
21.
Yeah, guys, do you know that meme? It's pretty good.
Yeah, it was the first OG. But it got banned with no reason. And the strawberry elephant is the second OG in the Meowl is the third, and the Skibidi is the new one. The fourth. Right?
By the way, guys, this is my friend. I just visited his house because I was lonely and the phone is still charging. So I'm bored. So I came here to play. And we have more videos coming up soon. So please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Make sure to do it, guys.
Yeah,
Alright?
comment now.
Bye.
Peace.